Morning. This is Gary from Our Paradise Farm in Bratt, Florida. It's been almost a week since I've been here. As you see, the grass is green, the grass is growing, and I cannot mow because John Deere has blown a head gasket. So that's my project, and I'm going to be recording as I go through. No, it's not going to be a one-shot job because I don't know what I'm doing. I did ask for help, and I was told that if I was capable of being mechanically inclined, I should be able to figure it out. So here I am. I'm going to figure it out. And since I have no one who's willing to be my backup, I'm going to use the channel for anybody who's willing to comment on what I'm doing and maybe give me pointers or suggestions as I do it. I will do that. Here's our pallets I've been collecting. That's the wood that fell from when the tornado hit the backyard of our neighbor trees in Pensacola. And this is the fence that that was blown over by one of my four neighbors. We paid for part of it, but I collected all the wood because we're going to turn around and use it for our illustrious deer who like to eat our. This is what we're doing. Today, my day is to clean the barn out. And this is what I'm going to show you what the barn looks like. Start with for today. Yes, this puts the trailer on hold and remodeling. It puts a lot of things on hold because I need the John Deere to work. But as you see, it's a cluster of stuff all through here. I have to make room so I can get the John Deere in here. This is the new barn, as I've showed you before. That's the pallet that the new barn is sitting on. It's a 30 by 40. I will show you the platform. It is right there. That's where the new barn will go eventually. However, right now that's even on hold. It's not one thing, it's another. Everything's on hold. So I have to make room to bring the John Deere mower in here. So if and when it will rain, this stuff is out of the way. The John Deere is in here. There's plenty of room to pull it right up to this location where I've got my pallet and stuff next to these refrigerators that were donated, or given to me. I actually need to get that wash machine back out of here, and yes, we'll have to probably put that wash machine in the house for clothes, because transporting clothes back and forth from one location to another gets old. And I did buy some new blades. That's my cell phone. That's my camera I'm going to do most of the recording with. I can record 30 minutes at a time. That is a Sony A7R. Yeah, A7R. And I got a microphone on it. What I'm using right now is my old red Nikon camera, and that is what I used for Keyman 4U Ministries when I went to my sites and the jobs I posted for that. So I've got 3 different cameras. I hope to get this so I can edit and post it and have something up daily in some degree. And then we're going to tag the mower, and this will all go on our websites. Not websites, our YouTube channel. So, all right, I'm going to get started and figure out what I'm doing and then show you an updated process.